up to SDN Mob. Today is Vlogmas Day 21 and we about to get our day started, but first I'm gonna dye my bundles because I'm going to get my hair done on Wednesday. So I'm gonna let y'all see the process of how I'm finna do this. Okay, so when I got the hair, oh, the hair came on Sunday and it's a little, bent up from when it was in the packaging in the box. But I got 4 bundles of 28 inches. Brazilian hair. And I'm gonna let y'all see how I do it. Okay, so I'm gonna use 2 packs of Dark and Lovely Jet Black hair dye. I like to go ahead and mix up all my dye before I start. That way I don't have to stop. Shake it real good. Okay, so we'll be doing 1 bundle at a time. Got your little brush. Make sure you have a brush and a comb so you can comb the dye through the hair. I like to start from the ends of the hair and work my way up. Do it like this because you want to make sure you saturate all the hair with the dye. around the bundle since I didn't take the plastic piece off because I wanted them to stay together because it make it easier. I just go in there and I squeeze dye so it can get all up in there. Separate the hair. Make sure you get it all in there because you don't want no areas, because this has natural brown. You don't want no areas to be left. Because you know when light hit the hair, it's going to tell the story if all the hair not dyed the correct way. The hair. Make sure it's on every strand. John, come here for real quick. Okay, so I done did one. As y'all can see, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the other 3 bundles, and then I'll see y'all a little later. Okay, you guys, so what I did was after I finished saturating all 4 bundles in dye, I wrapped it up in this piece of foil right here, and I put it in a plastic bag and I let it sit for 30 minutes. And then after that, I rinsed it. Well, I done already rinsed 2 of the bundles out already. And right there, see how black they is? It's gonna be so nice when I get it installed. Now I just gotta rinse these 2 bundles out. And then that'll be it. I just let them air dry, because I'm not gonna dry them with the blow dryer. In my opinion, I think the blow dryer it mess weave up. So I'm gonna let it air dry. And that's it. Okay, you guys, so I've rinsed all of the dye out of all 4 of the bundles. So the last step that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna condition the hair with the fade resistant conditioner that they give you. The container look like this. So I'm gonna saturate all 4 of the bundles, let it sit for like 5 minutes, then rinse it out, and I just let them sit, let them dry, and they'll be ready for install when I get ready to get my hair done.